Hey guys, welcome back to another daily review video. So, as I said on Sunday or Monday, this week is gonna be really dry because of no news events, and it was dry all three days. No trades for me. Yeah, I did some scalps yesterday, but look at this. It was stuck in this range, and yeah, that's it. I took some scalps here yesterday, and today I have taken some positions with less size for CPI anticipating this up move. First, let me break down why I was anticipating that up move. So let's go to 1 day time frame. This is the daily FEG I was talking about from past 2 weeks, and it got mitigated. But look at here, price consolidated one day in this Friday candle range, took out that Friday candle lower and was trying to go up from here. So what that means, price took out all the sell side liquidity here, and now the objective for price is to now the objective for price should be this buy should be this buy side liquidity. So that's the reason I have taken some longs today. I have given a call out in Instagram to this, yeah, somewhere here, and I got some 30 pips something. Yes, I closed my trade here. 30 pips, and look how beautifully price is reacting from that zone, from this 4-hour FVG by taking all this buy side liquidity. So before jumping into Euro USD, first let us go to dollar index as we do every day. Okay, let's do a thing. Let's delete everything. Let's start from weekly time frame. Yep. Weekly overview is bearish. We have a FVG here on the weekly. That is on the weekly time frame. Liquidity buildup happened. Yes, it did happen. Took out this sell side liquidity, and reacted from this order block. And we have some type of FVG here. Yes, I guess so. Yes, it got reacted from there. And now it is in this weekly supply area. Let's shift to daily time frame. For the time being, let's remove this. Let's mark this out. We have some clearly visible relative equal lows, relative equal highs, and we have some FVG left here in the daily time frame. So yeah, let me mark it as a daily FVG. Yeah, price is reacting. I mean, price has retraced aggressively from the downside, but this is a really good supply area. So that's it. We can see on the daily time frame. Let's go to 4 hour. Same as in daily time frame. We have create price has created some equal lows too. I mean, Those are obviously not the clear equal lows. Those are relative equal lows. And we have some imbalance left here. Do we have any trend line? No. So that's all I can see in 4 hour. Let's shift to 1 hour. Maybe let me draw this price and liquidity like this. So what we can expect, I mean, obviously we are bearish on the higher time frame, but what we can expect is price needs to take out the sell side liquidity. For price to take out that sell side liquidity, I feel price might do something like this here and take out this buy side liquidity, and then give it may give some confirmations to the on the bearish side for us to go to confirm our bias as bearish. As of now, there are no confirmations for us to go bearish on dollar. I am right now I am bullish on the intraday bias for tomorrow on dollar, but yeah, overall I am bearish. So yeah, price needs to take out this buy side liquidity, and then we can expect some reversals from there. So my bias would be higher time frame bearish, lower time frame would be bullish until BSL takes out. This would be my bias in this, or else yeah, if this sell side takes out, obviously we'll look for some buys. And let's start with euro. Let's see on the daily, nothing much. On 4 hour, obviously if you are seeing my past, if you have seen my past videos, I was talking about this buy side liquidity in those videos too, and about this FEG too. So yeah, nothing much. And we this reaction is obvious, but my only concern is we are bully. DXY is looking bullish until this buy side liquidity gets taken out. But the thing is, euro is in this. I agree that euro is in this high time frame range, but this is a good place for to look for longs in euro, because this could be a possible good zone to look for longs, because we don't have anything except this small portion of daily FEG. We have mitigate price has mitigated this daily FEG and took out this sell side liquidity. And let me show you why I am bullish in this. Same as DXY, price is in this daily demand kind of thing. Let me show you in weekly. Yep, price is in this weekly demand also. But the thing is, we have some equal lows in weekly too. Let's have that mark too. We have those equal relative equal lows too. So so what I can see here is price either reacting from this, another reaction from this, and creating a new high, or else what price can do is price can react from here and move higher, or else price can completely take out these lows and move higher. So as of now, what scenarios I look for is I look for longs here. Yeah, even though I'm bearish on DXY, but this is a really good zone for euro to look for longs. If this gets taken out, this demand zone, I don't see any potential zone for to look for longs here. So I would definitely turn bearish on euro until this low gets taken out. Yes, until this low gets taken out. So we can look for longs here, but we don't have any confirmations right now. So that's it for euro. Let's go with GU. I think it is too clumsy, right? Let's delete everything. Let's start from weekly. Weekly, obviously, it is in a demand zone, but it got reacted from this supply zone too. On daily, it is in a demand zone for sure in daily too. Mm, and 4 hour, took out all this sell side liquidity reacted from this order block. Took out this today. This would be buy side liquidity and mm, same as euro. We had this FVG which had this sell side liquidity, but we need to understand one thing. Even in euro too, we don't have any confirmations in 4 hour. In euro, we can see some confirmations with this week, but that's not a proper confirmation. But in GU, we can in GU also we can see some confirmations with this week, but it got reacted from this supply area. But the higher time frame in daily time frame, it is reacting from a demand zone. So if we can time our entry rightly, we can catch a low here until at least this 4 hour high gets taken out. So that's my plan. And we have this buy side liquidity here. This can also act as a buy side liquidity. So same as you in this area, I would be definitely looking for longs. Yes, I would look for longs. If let me have a closer look. Yes, I look for longs in this area until I would be bullish until this order block gets taken out here because it is reacting from this area. I mean, look at the fall, look at the fall here, and look at the consolidation here. This may be a possible accumulation, but yeah, we never know. We should wait for some confirmation. That's it. What I can see is we can look for some longs here, but should be careful because price came aggressively after that CPI up move. So yeah, that's it for GU. I'd be looking for longs here. I wouldn't be interested in any shorts in GU as of now. I mean, yeah, we can do some scalps, but I'm talking about the whole narrative. You need to understand that we can do some scalps here, or in the lower, in the lower time frames, But I was talking, my video analysis will be restricted to 15, and or the minimum would be 5. Yeah, in with 5 minute as a supply zone, and you can look for some confirmations in 1 minute, and you can take some shots here and all. But I was talking with my daily time frame and 1 hour 50 minutes perspective. So yeah, I wouldn't be looking for any shots after this move. So I'll look for longs. I'll wait for some confirmations here, and let's look for gold. What's happening in gold? Okay, I see some problems in gold actually for longs. Price took out this. Yeah, I feel this is an obvious sell side liquidity for gold, and price should take out this sell side liquidity, and eventually price should push into this FEG or this demand zone, and we can look for longs below this sell side liquidity. Until that sell side liquidity is taken out, I would be really looking for shorts in gold. Some of you may some of you may get some doubts because gold and euro all these react in a similar way, but we can't do anything, right? We need to take trades based on the charts, right? So in charts we can see that only, right? So I can't see any long opportunities in gold from here, from this zone. So yeah, gold I am bearish. Even if this demand fails if this demand gets failed in euro, we may turn bearish. I mean, this sell side liquidity can get taken out. But in Geo, I don't look, I don't see any potential short trades. Yeah, it can move with this euro and gold momentum, but I can't see any trades in Geo right now. So price action needs to get developed. If this demand gets failed, I think we can look for shorts in euro too. So yeah, guys, that's my bias for today, for tomorrow. Yeah, that's it, guys. See you tomorrow with another daily review video.